Hello, I am the CEO of Excellent Link Academy. I am here to introduce to you one of my channel named Wise Link Academy. My first channel is called Excellent Link Academy, as you know, while the other one is called Wise Link Academy. In this channel, I do lot of technical drawing and engineering drawing, as you can see below. Oh, not another word, just la 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 la. It goes around the world, just la la la. If this channel interests you, kindly click on the subscribe button and like, and also check the description for the link of the channel if you're interested, and subscribe and like and share the video. Thanks, and you're welcome to Excellent Link Academy.